A stranger came to Njeta village with seeds that never die, never rots. He promised no one would ever know hunger again. The villagers hesitated. The elder warned, nature doesn't make maize this perfect, but hunger makes men blind to danger. They planted the strange seeds, and soon maize taller than men covered their fields. But joy turned to fear. Children fell sick. Whispers of curses spread. Is this food a blessing or a trap? One decision changed their lives forever. Would you risk it or watch your people starve? Watch the full story and uncover the truth of the strange man of Njeta.